So we're going to test everything, make sure everything is working. To do that, I'm going to just start by turning everything on. First, I'm going to flip these two switches. Then I'm going to come over here to the board and turn it on. It's back here at the bottom left corner next to the little power strip. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right here. And then I'm going to turn the amp on. Once I get back to here, once I do that, I'm going to get back to here, log into the computer if I haven't already. The password is production, all lowercase. And it's going to pop up to here. You can open up your Pro Presenter if you want to. If that ever pops up, allow. Then I'm going to go to Safari, open that. Then I'm going to come up here. I'm going to go to Facebook. It's also over here. Once I open up Facebook, I'm going to go to live video. Click on it. In this option, go live. Once I do that, I'm going to give it its information, like what is your live video about? Well, this live video is going to be a test. We're testing. Save. Once we do that, we're going to scroll on down to where it says Advanced Settings. Click on it. Make sure Persistent Stream Key is on. But also we're going to do a different step. We're going to come up here to the Stream Key and hit Copy. Once we hit Copy, we're going to come up here to a new tab. Click on it, not hold it. We're going to come over here to the NVS and open it up. Once you do that, it's going to pop up this little guy here. You can normally just fill it in, but if it doesn't automatically fill in, it's just admin and 6 zeros. And hit sign in. Once you sign in, make sure SDI XLR is highlighted. If it's not, select it, hit apply. From here, we're going to go to the operation mode. Once we do that, it might pop up this a couple times. Just hit close, close. Scroll on down. You'll see where it says the URL or stream name. If it doesn't, just hit the refresh button in the top, up here at the reload page. It might pop that up again. Yep. And then from here, you're going to select all of this and hit delete. And then you're going to right click and hit paste. At that point, hit apply. Once it does that, hit start stream. Once you hit start stream and no errors pop up, because if it has no video, it'll pop it up. And look at the NVS, it is a solid red light. After you do that, you can come back up here, go back to Facebook, and notice that it has video. If it doesn't for whatever reason, you can refresh it a couple of times, and it'll pop right back up. Once you're ready to go there, you are ready to live stream by hitting go live. Right down here in the bottom left corner. So before we do that, we're going to do a couple other things. Onto the Blackmagic device here. First off, we're going to turn the TVs on. So like the fellowship in the office, we got to turn the audio on for that, which is this button here, and it's going to be red. This is kind of the main volume for it. So if it's too loud, too low, and all that good stuff. Perfect. Now let's just test everything, make sure it's working. So over here on the board, I just grabbed a random microphone. Everything comes up the way it was shut down. Also, you have your TV volume and your stream volume. You don't have to mess with that unless you want to, but if you mess with it, it's going to make changes to the TVs, which is like the fellowship hall in the office, and the stream, if you mess with it. So you want to make sure the left, right up here is selected in blue. Now we're going to get a microphone, turn it on.
Hey, check, 1, 2.
Perfect. I turned on all the TVs, all HDMI 1. They are all working. Now we're going to go to the fellowship hall and the office, if we can get into it, and test it. So once we get inside of here, we're going to turn the TV on. We're going to go down to the input. It is going to be HDMI 1. Same for the office. Here is that, and that is so loud we can turn that way down. Now I'm turning my
Microphone on. Mic check 1, 2. Hey, mic check 1, 2.
As you can tell, it's working in here. So it should work in the office as well since they are tied together. So again, like in the pastor's office, I'm going to turn the TV on. I'm going to turn it off again first. But I'm going to turn it back on. I'm going to go down to the inputs, HDMI 1. Here's the image. Give it a little bit of volume. Turn the microphone back on. Give it a second. Check, check. 1, 2. Hey. Mic check. 1, 2. As you can tell, it's going through it. So this is working as well. Here to the little control boards. I'm going to select camera 2, hit cut on all the TVs, PC, cut. Oh, I'm sorry, I do not have ProPresenter set. So I'm going to put an image on ProPresenter. Perfect. So again, just so you know, any changes I make here, it's also going to make on the live stream. Over here on the camera control, I'm just going to turn the knob. So camera 1 is red. I'm going to turn the knob, make sure that's working okay. I'm going to cut to camera 2. On the board also, on the controller also hit camera 2, make sure that's working. Perfect. And all that seems to be working. And for fun, I'm going to go back to Safari. I'm just going to watch it for a second while it catches back up.
That's the live stream.
That is the live stream. And now I'm going to, since I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and check the live stream since we are about to start. Right here, we're checking the pulpit mic. Hey, check, check, 1, 2. Mic check, 1, 2. Hey. And because it's also sitting right here, I'm going to check the pastor mic, this microphone.
The headset, yeah.
The headset mic. Hey, check, check, 1, 2. Mic check, 1, 2. Oh.
And that's coming through the live stream. I can hear it from your phone.
Yep. So that's coming through the live stream, the microphone, and all that good stuff. Hey, check, check, 1, 2. Mic check, 1, 2. Cool. All right, now I'm gonna come over here to, I believe, the piano microphone. This one.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, check, check, 1, 2. Mic check. Turn that back off. Come over here to this one. Hey, check, check, 1, 2. And you can see us, we're kind of like walking over here to the piano. Hey, check, check, 1, 2. So we just tested every microphone that we have access to. So as we can tell, everything is working at this point. Awesome. Now let's say service is over. We tested everything. Everything's working. I will say the pulpit mic was kind of turned down. That's why it was low. We can check it again later. You can turn it up and check it again if you want to, but there's no feedback. It's okay. So now let's say it's after the end of the service. It's time to quit the stream. First off, we're going to go back to your Facebook and hit end live stream. Are you sure you want to end it? Yes, I am positive. At this point, you can do whatever you want to, but because this was a test, I'm going to delete and return to the newsfeed. At this point, you can come over here to the data video, hold down the streaming button for a second, and let it turn off. You can also go into the NVS where it says stop stream. So the NVS operations mode, and it would say stop streaming there as well. But since I stopped it already, it says start stream again. At that point, you can power it all down. You can
In what order?
So you can power it all down, and this is how I would do it. I would just turn off or close Safari, click on ProPresenter, click up here where it says ProPresenter, and then quit ProPresenter. Are you sure you want to quit? Yes. Now you can sit here, shut down the computer, shut down. And because I forgot to mention it at the beginning, the power button is right here. If you feel around, it's right here.
Underneath.
Underneath. I don't know why Apple did that, but that's where they decided to put it. And at this point, you can flip these switches. And then on the board, you turn the amp off first. And now you turn off the board. And then you can go around and shut off all the TVs. So that was your starting, closing, and testing procedure. Just make sure everything's working. But as you see today, everything was working. We were live. All the microphones worked. And everything turned on and turned off how it's supposed to. Have a good one.